this video, we're going to talk about 6.3 Objective 1, where we apply critical thinking to measurement conversion problems. This will be our last video for Unit 6, and we'll just choose which is best for the problem, whether we want to use the ratio proportion technique or whether we want to use the dimensional analysis technique. So I see this one is going to require multiple conversions. So I'm going to use dimensional analysis on this. 1 to 6 inches. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. Centimeters cancel, inches cancel. That's 7.6 times 2.54 times 10. So 7 divided by 6 times 2.54 times 10 gives me 29.63 repeating millimeters, and we're told to round to the nearest tenth, so we'll round that to 29.6. The following chart we'll use to convert fluid ounces to tablespoons. Well, there's a direct conversion factor for that. So 12 fluid ounces, where 1 fluid ounce is 2 tablespoons right here. And so fluid ounces will cancel. 12 times 2 is 24. And now we have 14 ounces of tea, 14 fluid ounces of tea. 1 fluid ounce is 30 milliliters. So this is 420 milliliters. Okay, right along. I might need that whiteboard, I might not. We'll see. 2 1/6. Yeah, let's use the whiteboard over here. 2 1/6 inches times 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters times nothing. So 1213 over 6 inches times 2.54 over 1. Inches have gone away. So 13 times 2.54 divided by 6 is 5.503 repeating centimeters. And we're told to round to the nearest hundredth as needed. So that's 5.50. I'm keeping that 0 because it is significant, since I rounded to that place value and there were digits after it. It wasn't just a terminating trailing 0 that has no significance to it. It's significant because of the rounding that I did. Right? A child drinks 1/4 of a cup of milk every 3 hours. At that rate, how many milliliters will they drink in 9 hours? So this is 3/4 of a cup in 9 hours. And we want to change the cup to milliliters, which is 240 milliliters. Cup cancels. 4 goes into 240 60 times. 3 times 60 is 180 milliliters in 9 hours. 180. All right. And then we've dealt with this same prescription label and done this same problem a few times here. I'll do it with ratio proportion, milligrams will cancel, 3,118 micrograms, 1,118, and now we have 20 milliliters that we want to change to teaspoons, so 5 milliliters per teaspoon. 5 goes into 24 times, so we're at 4 teaspoons times and this is every 4 hours. So there's an abbreviation for that that we'll learn later when we learn to read prescriptions, but this is per, well, this is 4 hours, so 4 hours. We want to figure out how much is taken in a 24-hour period. So 24 hours, that's 24 teaspoons. And we want to change those to tablespoons. And we know that there's 3 teaspoons and 1 tablespoon. Teaspoons cancel, 3 goes into 24 8 times. And so this is 8 tablespoons in 24 hours. And that's it for this video and for this unit. We'll come back next time and start to talk about chapter 7, where we'll deal with conversions between percents and decimals and things like that, and start to use percents in our arithmetic. So see you for the next video.